Let us take the next video. The role of chartered accountants in society. Role of chartered accountants in society. See, this is very important question. What is the role of chartered accountant in society? First and the foremost area is nothing but the maintenance of the books of account. This is the first role of the chartered accountant, and most of the chartered accountants do maintain the books of account of the various firms, various banks, various companies, various institutions. They maintain the books of account. They find out, even they maintain of the government of India's various companies, subsidiary companies, and government bodies. Even there is a CBI audit also. So here the role of a chartered accountant plays a very important role in maintaining the books of accounts. Second thing is nothing but statutory audit. Statutory audit plays a very important role, because in audit what you find, or in audit what you do, you find the misuse of funds, uh, misuse of funds. In statutory in audit what you do, capital outflow inflow is calculated. What is the sales perfection, how much sale is done, what is the purchase, what all purchases have done. So this all statutory audits are being done. This audit is very important in order to keep safe people's money, in order to keep the rights of the partners, keep the rights of the partners, in order to keep the rights of the customers, in order to keep the rights of the government. So these are nothing for this thing. Statutory audits are done. So this is the second role of the chartered accountant. Now, what is the third role of the chartered accountant? Is nothing but to do internal audit. Now, internal audit is done by most of the companies. Do the internal audit in order to do finding out the various results, whether the company is going in profit or company is going in loss, or to take some rational decisions. Few reports are to be required. What the product price is to be kept, and how the company will flow, and how much funds is required in order to raise the funds from the banks, how much funds to raise, and what all calculations. So this, for this all purpose, internal audits is to be done. We just again see it as that. For taxation purpose, now there are a lot of taxes by different governments. There is a local body tax, there is a state body tax, there is a government of India's tax, and so friends, the another role of the CA is for service tax, sale tax, income tax. All these taxes are required, and these taxes are calculated. These taxes are calculated. The returns are filed, and they are uploaded on the government's website. They are duly signed. The digital signature, if it is bigger, then the digital signatures are taken. So this is the role of CA, of filing filing this tax suits of service tax, income tax, professional tax, and CST and all that. So different kind of taxation services is given by CA. Now the fifth role, most important role, is regarding the consultancy service. Now the consultancy service, many of the CA do. Now the consultancy is same like what the lawyer does. Lawyer does what the lawyer does. He gives, he shares his or his knowledge regarding the accountancy. So many of the questions are asked to the CA. What is the legal framework of, for example, if any new startup is there, a new company is going to get launched, then he will ask whether shall I go for the proprietorship firm, or should I take the partners. So should I form the partnership firm, and or should I go for a public limited company, or should I go for LLP, limited liability partnership type of company, or should I for a Hindu United Family type of company. So these are all the different types of company formations. So how the company's registration will go, and what kind of taxation will be there, how can I save my tax. So these are all litigations and rules for following. So this consultancy service also can be provided by the CA. And now what is the another kind of service which the CA provides is nothing but he gives the financial advice. Financial advice is a lot of CA give. Yeah, how you can form under section 80D. There are different, for example, if you do education to the your children, then there is income tax savings on that. If you give donation to any kind of trust which is registered under section 80D, then you can save the tax. If you have a life insurance policy, then you can take so you can save the tax. If you have a HRA, that is housing rental allowance, then you can save the tax. So there are different points where a CA can advise how um, a CA can advise uh, and he can also advise regarding investments, which area is giving you more and more money, so try and invest in that. CA can advise regarding business expansion policies also. Now how he can help if there are two companies. If one is the bigger company and he want to purchase the smaller company, then how it is possible, whether you have to make a merger or whether you have to make an acquisition, or what kind of takeover is to be done. So this is nothing but business expansion ideas can also be given by CA. And a lot of investigations which a CA can do. It can help it can investigate into the accounts, how the profits has fallen down, how the cash has gone out, cash outflow and inflow. So this the CA can give guidelines how how we can better improve in order to improve the efficiency of the management. How can efficiency of the management improve? Which areas where the company is making more and more expenses but not getting the desired output? So indirectly, CA will give guidelines in order to strengthen the growth of the company. So even the CA can give guidelines regarding the pension schemes also. This is another output which pension schemes. Pension schemes such as insurance agents which are needed, they launch the provident fund or pension schemes in the business, and the final decision can be consulted to CA, because many of the pension schemes are launched and they don't succeed also. I'm saying about the private firms which they launch this scheme for the employees. So regarding that also CA can give guideline. uh, then I can tell you the more other kind of works which CA does. It will be given in the next slide. Thank you.